Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Varnaka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to practice Ardha shalabasana. So this asana is really good to strengthen your lower back and also helps with sciatica. It is also good for constipation. To practice, start from Makarasana. Bring your legs together, hands beside your body. Now make a fist of your hands and support it under your thighs. Now inhale and raise your right leg up as high as possible. Make sure your chin is touching the floor. Exhale and bring your leg down. Now inhale and raise your left leg. Maintain with normal breathing. Exhale and release and relax in Makarasana. If you found this video useful, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook.